buckled up. Make sure your seat back is upright, your table stowed, and all carrying items put away. For easy access after takeoff, laptops and devices of similar size can be placed under the seat in front of you.
Yeah.
We'd like to introduce ourselves. Welcome to JetBlue. We're happy to have aboard today. My name is John. It's my pleasure to work with Angelica in the front. We have Lee at mid-cabin. Captain is John. Be assisted by First Officer Eric. Estimated flight time out of Boston, 2 hours, 45 minutes. Your safety is always the number one priority, so please give us your attention when we walk you through this plane safety features. Please follow along with safety information card in your seat back pocket. Federal law requires you to follow all light information signs, posted placards, and especially crew member instructions. Customers are encouraged to report any unwelcome or inappropriate behavior to an in-flight crew member. To buckle your seatbelt, insert the flat metal end into the buckle and pull the strap to tight. To release, lift the top flap of the buckle. Please keep the seatbelt fastened low and tight across your lap, even when the seatbelt sign is off, and have your seatbelt visible to the crew at all times. Your life vest is in a pouch under your seat. If instructed by the crew, tear open the pouch, remove the vest, and pull it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, clip the buckle, and pull the strap to tighten. As you exit the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down firmly on the red tabs or blowing into the tubes on both sides. Do not inflate your vest inside the plane. A locator light on the shoulder will turn on automatically in water. This Airbus A320 has 8 emergency exits, 2 doors in the front, 4 window exits over the wings, and 2 doors in the back. Each door is equipped with an evacuation slide that can be detached from the aircraft and used as a raft. In the event of an emergency, leave your personal belongings and head to the nearest exit. All exits are clearly marked with a sign overhead and lights on the floor. Also guide you to the exits. Take a moment now to locate your closest exit. Remember, it might be behind you. If there is a change in cabin pressure, 4 oxygen masks will drop overhead. Front and pull mask towards you, so full of oxygen. Remove any face covering. Place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Pull the elastic band around your head and tighten using the straps on both sides. Oxygen will be flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Put your mask on first before helping others. We'll let you know when it's no longer needed. If you have any questions about this plane's safety features on in-state tasks, before you coming down the aisle for one last check, please make sure your seatbelt is fastened, seat bags are upright, tray table stowed, and all carrying items put away. Smoking, including electronic cigarettes or vaping, is never allowed on JetBlue. Tampering with, disabling, destroying smoke detectors in restrooms is for offense, could result in a fine. This plane has 3 restrooms, 1 in the front of the cabin, 2 in the back. Each is equipped with an infant changer table. Please don't flush hand waste down the toilet or leave them in the seat back pockets. Also, please don't slam the door or close very gently. All our planes are equipped with free unlimited high-speed Wi-Fi. To connect, select the Fly-Fi network, then head over to flyfi.com. You can log in from there. Please keep in mind that making calls of any type while in flight isn't allowed. It includes use of VRP, video conferencing, and Wi-Fi calling. We'll be adjusting the main cabin lights for departure. If you need it, there's a reading lamp above your seat. We'll be there soon, and thank you again for choosing JetBlue. extra crew members and JetBlue card members as well. We invite you to sit back, relax, and stretch out. You got the most liquid coach. Thanks again for flying with us today. We'll be starting our food and beverage service soon. First, we pass the captain's selection meetup boxes.